Is sunburn dangerous for you dogs and cats? It's just a love bite. But are lovable felines really expressing their love? And how to recognize silent pain in your pet's really, really important. Hey, Warren Eckstein here. Let me tell you what's coming up on the pet show tomorrow. Many trainers, many behaviorists suggest that sometimes best way to resolve bad behavior with your dogs is to totally ignore them. But is ignoring bad behavior, does it really work? I think you'll hear my opinion may be a little bit different from others. When it comes to our cats, we often hear the term, it's just a love bite. But are lovable felines really expressing their love? No. And our dogs and cats are wired to hide their pain for survival reasons. How to recognize silent pain in your pet's really, really important. And it's summer coming up soon, where it's got more time out in the sun. Know how to avoid sunburn for us, but is sunburn dangerous for your dogs and cats? Bet it is. I'm going to talk about sunburn, how to prevent it, and cancer in your pets. As always, I'll be taking all of your questions, listening to all your comments. Got lots of great stuff to give away on the show as well. The question on the show tomorrow is pretty simple. Do dogs and cats have a sense of humor? I was away for a couple of days. When I came home, Molly and Willie had me hysterical. Plenty of time for your questions and some great stuff. I'll put all the different ways you can listen to the pet show. You can watch me do the pet show live on my YouTube channel, which, by the way, you should subscribe to. It's free. I do share a lot of info there. It's simply youtube.com/Warren Eckstein, youtube.com/Warren Eckstein. By the way, if you want to listen to archive shows as well from years gone by, or even last week, you can always go to my website, thepetshow.com, watch the video. YouTube died. So until tomorrow, we'll take care of all the issues you may be having, jumping, humping, digging, scratching. Until then, give all your pets a big hug and a kiss for you, one between the ears for me. I'm Warren X. I'm looking forward to talking to you all on the Pet Show tomorrow.